Let me ask you something. If you lost everything tomorrow, your relationship, your home, your income, your sense of who you are, would you know how to rebuild your life from nothing? Most people can't answer that. I couldn't either until I had to. After my second divorce, I lived in this barn. Cold stone floors, a log burner I had to keep filling up.
My ex-wife kept the house with the stables and the land. I got the barn. And I remember sitting right here thinking, how do I rebuild my life from this? 2 divorces, made redundant after 17 years, couldn't find work for 9 months. My anxiety got so bad I couldn't drive. My doctor signed me off. I had intrusive thoughts, dark ones.
The only reason I'm still here is my kids.
I'm going to tell you exactly what got me out. Not theory, not what some guru told me, what I actually did. And it started with one decision.
Every single day, rain, wind, didn't matter. I walked 3 hours.
Up these hills and down. I wasn't walking to get fit. I was walking to stay alive. Here's the first thing you need to understand about rebuilding your life after rock bottom. Nobody is coming to save you. I know that sounds brutal,
But it's also the most freeing thing you'll ever accept. Because when you stop waiting for the apology, the job offer, the person who's supposed to fix it, you take your power back. So I made myself a promise. Every day I would do 3 things.
If I did these 3 things, the day was a win, no matter what else happened. Number 1, move your body every single day, not for a 6-pack. Because when your mind is spiraling, physical movement is the only circuit breaker that works. There's real science behind this. Bilateral stimulation. When you walk, your brain literally cannot maintain the same level of anxiety.
I lost 5 stone walking these hills, not from a gym, from walking for hours and not being able to afford eating out. My body changed, but more importantly, my mind changed. The intrusive thoughts quietened. I started sleeping again.
Number 2, replace what you lost. Not with another relationship. You're not ready.
Not with another job you'll hate, with purpose. For me, it was walking first.
And writing, then coaching. Something that proved I still had value to give. Because when you lose everything, you forget who you are. You need something that reminds you you're still here for a reason.
Your purpose doesn't have to make money straight away. It just has to be yours. Something that belongs to the person you're becoming, not the person who fell apart.
Number 3, let go of the story, the one where you're the victim.
Where it's all their fault. I blamed my ex-wives for years. I blamed my parents' divorce when I was 12.
And all that blame did was keep me stuck. Because as long as everything was someone else's fault, I didn't have to change. The day I stopped blaming and started owning my part, that was the day everything shifted. I couldn't control what happened to me, but I could control who I became next.
I rebuilt everything from here, paid off every penny of debt, got a job that doubled my salary, wrote books, met Abby, 3rd time lucky. I play football on Thursdays. My kids and I are closer than ever.
4 years ago, I was in this barn at 3 a.m., convinced my life was over.
I was wrong about all of it.
So if you're in your own version of a barn right now, and only you know what that looks like, do this for me.
Tomorrow morning, get up, go outside, walk for an hour. No phone, no podcast, just walk. And ask yourself one question, not what happened to me, but what am I going to do next? Because that question, that shift from victim to architect, is where rebuilding your life actually begins.
I'm Scott L. Adams. This is Unlock Your Promise. If you're in that barn right now and needed to hear this, subscribe.
Real talk about rebuilding, starting over, and becoming who you were supposed to be. Now get on with it.